Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to begin, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Oops, I just messed that up. There we go. That's what I meant to do. Okay, so once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and then volume down simultaneously. So power, volume down, both keys at the same time. And we're now in Fastboot mode. And that is basically how you would access it. Now if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key. And you can see that it's automatically gonna power back on. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access this mode and leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.